Today I'm doing a review on these Rumor ceramic Christmas trees. These Christmas trees were gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's open up this box. Now I'm very excited about these. I was ecstatic when I saw them. They are going to be so perfect in my Christmas village decor. Great about these is that you just have to pull this tab and turn it on, and they are illuminated. I can tell that these are of high quality. I like the way that they're lightweight, but you could still see that they're very detailed. Look how great that they look in my Christmas village. I knew they were going to be a great pick. All in all, I think these are a great buy, and I suggest them.